The presentation is in an hour. I partied all night and slept off. I didn't research. Tried ChatGPT. Too rigid. What do I do?
Hey Annie, relax. Try Gemini Deep Research. It gives you proper research, real context, all for free. And guess what? It turns the research into a podcast. It even saves a doc version for you. You'll be fine by the time you get to work. Trust me.
Alright, first things first, open up Gemini Deep Research. Just type in your topic, be specific to get the best results. For example, instead of using just climate change, let's try the impact of plastic pollution on marine life in the Atlantic Ocean. Hit that research button or go button. Gemini Deep Research now does its thing, digging deep into the information. Once it's done, you get a detailed breakdown right here. This is your core research, neatly organized with key points, evidence, and different angles. Take a quick look to get the gist.
Now, want to listen to this on the go? Easy. Look for the podcast mode or generate audio button. Give it a click. And just like that, you've got an audio version. Hit play and you can learn while you commute, exercise, or whatever.
Plastic pollution in the land and its impact on marine life. We've gone through the research, and our mission is basically to lay out the key threats and what the consequences really are.
Right.
There might even be an option to save the audio file. Tap on Exports if you need your research in a document. Give it a moment to load. You will need to have a Google Docs installed. It will automatically open and save your workflow. From Google Docs, you can also share or export as a Word file. Just tap on the button, let it load, and boom, you've got it saved both on Docs and as a Word document.
And that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Gemini Deep Research is a lifesaver. Unlike ChatGPT, it gives structured content, podcast versions, and you don't have to pay upfront. If this was helpful, ensure you like, you share, and you drop a comment. Also, subscribe and turn on your notification for more AI tips, tutorials on the AI How To series.